Hi everyone, welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids. Today we're covering Chevron Corporation, ticker CVX, a leading integrated energy company. As of the market close on January 2nd, 2026, most recent trading day, CVX finished at $155.90, up 2.3% on solid volume. The gains were supported by key announcements. Chevron set its organic 2026 capital budget at 18 to 19 billion, the lower end of guidance, and emphasizing capital discipline. The company also achieved first oil from its new South Andola platform offshore Angola, leveraging existing infrastructure to expand production efficiently. These moves come alongside positive free cash flow outlooks, even as broader oil markets remain volatile. For CVX investors, focus remains on execution amid fluctuating crude prices. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a professional. If you found this update helpful, like the video, subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids for more stock breakdowns, and comment below what ticker you'd like next. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today, and we'll see you in the next one.